Karen attends a beauty school. Hair growth oil. Day 2. Today, Karen is going to be teaching you how to make the number 2 item on the list on her scheme of work as regards to how to make hair growth oil using another 4 different natural ingredients. Come along as Karen teaches you how to make the number 2 on the list of different types of hair growth oil using the following natural ingredients below. Day 2. Ingredients for hair growth oil. 5 tablespoons of rosemary, 3 tablespoons of cloves, 5 cups of olive oil, 1 cup of castor oil. Measure 5 tablespoons of rosemary. Rosemary stimulates hair growth, reduces dandruff, potentially limit premature graying, and improves scalp health by increasing blood flow and offering anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. 3 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves contain nutrients that can enhance hair growth and strength, promote and stimulate blood flow and circulation to the scalp, which may promote hair follicle activity, encouraging hair growth. It can potentially darken hair naturally. Preparation. Grind both the cloves and rosemary together. Measure 5 cups of olive oil and pour into a jar. Add the grinded ingredients inside and mix until it blends together. To extract the ingredients from your mixture, place the jar in a saucepan with 2 cups of water on low heat for about 30 minutes using a double boiler to extract the nutrients gently without burning. Once cool, strain it and add 1 cup of castor oil and pour in a clean container. Apply 3 times a week for best results. What is a double boiler? A double boiler is when you place your jar containing your ingredients into a saucepan having the required amount of water, which is on the fire with a low heat, allowing the heat from the boiling water in the saucepan to heat up your mixture in the jar for a stipulated amount of time to help extract the juice from your ingredients in the jar. Within 3 months of using this hair growth oil, your hair will gain back its volume, and you will notice your hair getting fuller, longer, looking luscious and very beautiful. To achieve a long, healthy hair like that of Karen and her friends, you can follow the lessons above to make your own hair growth oil. If you would like to learn more about different types of hair growth and skin care remedies on this channel, please indicate in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this intriguing story, please drop a like and comment on your favorite part of the video, and do well to subscribe to my channel, Folktale by Queen Mother. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified when we upload our next interesting story. Equally share this story and channel with your friends and family. It has not been easy getting here, but I really appreciate all of you who watched the story to the end. Do have a lovely day. Thank you. If you stay glued to my channel, Folktales by Queen Mother, you are sure to watch a lot of upcoming interesting videos, and you are sure to learn a lot of educational lessons from this channel, because from time to time, I will be dropping educational lessons that come in form of a video. These videos will teach you necessary things that are of high importance to you all. Be rest assured that if you support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel, you will always be motivated. It's a lot of hard work, days of sleepless nights before one of these videos you watch on this channel is produced. I am counting on your support always to take this channel to the top. Thank you once again for your unwavering support. God bless you all.